Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by harvesting where trends show up quickest, the Shorts feed and creator pages. Open Shorts, watch 20-30 clips, and note songs that repeat. This gives you signal over noise. At the same time, scan YouTube Music and Spotify trending playlists to confirm overlap. If a track appears in multiple places, it's likely gaining momentum. Once done, log 5 to 10 candidates with timestamps and creator names so you can analyze reuse patterns and licensing needs next. Now you analyze growth and verify that candidate tracks are truly trending. Measure mentions and appearances over 24, 48, and 72 hours to detect acceleration. Rapid reuse indicates virality. Next, search the song title plus keywords like challenge or trend across TikTok and Instagram to see spread. Also calculate engagement percent and view velocity on a few sample shorts to estimate staying power. Make sure to prioritize tracks with rising reuse rate and creator adoption before planning edits or rights clearance. Finally, choose 1 or 2 top tracks and create 3 short edits with different hooks and pacing to test performance. Upload them as private or unlisted shorts for a /B testing, then monitor click-through rate, average watch time, and saves to identify the best fit. If results lag, troubleshoot by shortening the intro, increasing visual edit pace, or swapping to a similar trending song. This often fixes low retention. Make sure to repeat tests until a clear winner shows consistent engagement gains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.